Are you having trouble figuring out how to change your YouTube handle on mobile? No worries, I've got you covered. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, and you'll have a new handle that better represents you and your channel. First of all, let's open up the YouTube mobile application and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And a menu will appear. So from this menu, tap where it says your channel. Once you are on this page, tap on this little pen icon, and that will open up the channel settings. So now what you want to do next is tap on the second option, handle. And now all you have to do is clear the existing handle and type in your new YouTube handle. Once you typed in your new YouTube handle, tap on the save button at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.